Today is such a hot day. Oh my god. Let's see how this does.
Hi, Apollo. Hello, Apollo. Apollo.
This right here is the Rode microphone that I use when I travel vlog, but this right here is a new microphone from Sony that is so small compared to the current Rode microphone that I use. I bought this immediately on the day of the launch because one, it looked smaller and more compact, but I didn't realize it was going to be this much more compact. So I'm gonna take this out, give it a try to see if it can deliver good quality audio like this one, but in a much smaller form factor. Nitro Pepsi. I've never heard of Nitro Pepsi. Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? What is this idiot doing?
Jay is known for one thing.
Oh, dude.
That was not good.
Huh?
That was very bad.
Oh. Hello, Keys. Hello. Dinner time now. It's a very loud and busy setting that we're at in a restaurant right now, so really testing to see just how good this Sony Vlogger Microphone is. All the audio in this video was recorded using the new Sony microphone that I have here, minus the introduction that I did earlier. It was a very quick first impressions, and I've already come up with a list of pros and cons of this microphone. So pro number one, it's very small and compact. Number two is that it records all the audio through the hot shoe interface. Pro number three is that you can still use this microphone with other cameras as long as it has a 3.5mm microphone jack. Pro number four is that there's no onboard battery that you have to charge separately like the Rode. So the Rode mic has this separate battery that you would have to charge. One of the first cons that I noticed with this microphone is maybe with the shock absorber. I feel like it picks up a lot of camera bumps and movements. When I was zooming in and out, you could hear the zoom. So what I would consider con number two is that there's no option for a manual volume control when using this microphone with the Sony camera. Usually when you're plugged into the 3.5mm microphone jack, you have the options of selecting the volume input gain or the sensitivity of the microphone. But when you have this connected, it's all automatic. So it could be a plus that you don't have to think about it, but having the option to toggle between automatic or a manual volume like sensitivity gain, to me that would seem the most ideal. Con number three is that I don't think this windscreen actually does too much when it comes to blocking out wind noise. On the way to Kahodo Baekcho for Jordan's birthday dinner, lunch, dinner. Why did I say dinner?
That was not good.
Huh?
That was very bad.
Oh. Okay. Right now what you're listening to is the Sony Vlogger microphone connected straight to the FX3. We're back to onboard audio on the FX3, volume set at 31. Hopefully you can hear the difference between the onboard microphone and the Sony Vlogging microphone from this distance. If you're thinking about picking up the Sony Vlogger microphone, I would say it's really easy and convenient to use, especially if you're using a compatible Sony camera. It gives you way better audio quality versus the onboard microphone, especially when I was using the FX3. So that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Feel free to subscribe because I do want to do a follow-up video where I pit these two microphones head to head in a variety of different situations just to see how they perform. So yeah, until next time. So what I'm surprised about is we're driving up here, right? It'll tell you how far it is based off the cart positioning to the hole or to the green.